The wind in the AI circle is getting too fast. By the end of 25 years, everyone is still mainly discussing which model is smarter, which model is more capable of programming. By 26 years, at first, almost everyone was talking computer use. In short, let AI control your computer to do your own work. This matter was first started by Cloud. At the beginning of the year, when Cloud #39s co-work was first released, the demo video is really handsome. You can operate your local computer files to read documents and write forms. It #39s also starting to make people realize the original local agent client can not only write code, but how uncomfortable is it for us to use Cloud at home? Know everything. The price is expensive to say. If you don #39, pay attention, your number will be gone. After a few days, this open source Big Lobster set off a new wave of heat. Its original name is Cloud Boot, but because the cloud thinks it #39s touching porcelain, so the defendant changed his name to OpenCloud.
Here's a quick sponsor message. This AIAPI aggregation platform for domestic and international large models lets you access 500 plus AI model APIs at lower cost and with faster integration. Kling v3 is priced at $0.07, and the NanoBanana 2 costs $0.025 per call. Overall pricing is only 20% to 80% of the official rates, with token costs as low as RMB 0.05 per million. It also offers an online playground, so you can freely use text, image, and video models with unlimited concurrency. If a request fails, you'll be refunded. Just click the link in the video description to go directly there. If you want discounts or run into any issues, join our Discord community for prompt support, or add customer service and send the message 6 for one-on-one assistance. Alright, back to the video.
The GitHub star has soared to a staggering 166K in just a few weeks. Its effect is really amazing, but because the configuration threshold is a bit high and very fragile security, many ordinary players have been discouraged. Recently, the Minimax agent went online. The desktop version of it has been in the shadows for some time. I think it is the best domestic product for this track. The experience is very close to my ideal AI native workbench. It #39s no longer a simple NetEase dialog box, but directly into your computer can read your files, can operate the browser for you, and even help you write code directly and deploy it. Most importantly, its client is not only adapted to Mac, but also Windows such files. The extremely complex environment of the system is also very well supported. Below, I prepared a few practical cases. Bring everyone together to actually operate. Feel it. First of all, I #39LL show you. Minimax agent how to do with our local computer. Interaction. Then we try to get him to do a complex data analysis task, including the retrieval and downloading of data workers, the sorting of Excel, can be a visual PPT, as well as a one-click deployment for cool web pages. I'll let it do it by itself. Finally, I will teach you how to use Minimax agent to tactfully explode the fire recently. My Outbook. First, we can go to the Minimax official website to download the buckle end that matches your system version. After opening the buckle end, we can see an interface similar to the web version. The most obvious difference is that we can choose a local folder. After the choice, Minimax agent will have read and operation permissions under this folder. Then let #39s let him complete a local file operation first. What about my download folder? There are a lot of files in it. I vaguely remember there was an iCloud purchase invoice, but I forgot the file name. So let #39s download a directive from Minimax agent. Help me find an iCloud invoice for purchases from the downloads folder. After finding it, help me create a financial reimbursement folder. Then put it in. We saw that it quickly scanned the local directory, filtered out a large number of irrelevant files, then start to understand the content of the picture one by one. Then he found my invoice accurately and created a new folder. Put this invoice in. Finally, he also analyzed the contents of the invoice. Then let #39s open the download catalog and have a look. Then I saw that he had helped us move the invoice to the correct folder. This is much better than MaxStat focus search, because he can not only search the file name, but also understand the contents of the file. Let #39s give him some challenging tasks. Let #39s see if he can really help us improve the productivity of our work. Let #39s test a case of data analysis. Let #39s think about it first. If the boss asks you to do an analysis of net financial results, the normal process may be like this. First of all, We opened the search engine to search for this financial report, then download it locally. Then we started to manually analyze. Then copy and paste the analyzed data into Excel, and then start making charts. Then the screenshot is finally posted into a PPT. That this set of processes go down. Basically half a day is gone. Let hashtag 39. Let's take a look at how this work is done in Minimaxigent. We give Minimaxigent a new order. Help me search for the financial reports of Tencent and Alibaba, and download the PDF to the local. He first accurately retrieved the location of the company hashtag 39 as financial report download machine, then call the local command. Successfully downloaded the PDF to our local folder. Let hashtag 39 open the directory and look at the file. It has been downloaded to the specified location. After getting back dozens of pages of PDF, the biggest headache is analyzing the data. The process of data sorting data is mentioned. So let hashtag 39 give Minimaxigent a second instruction. Analyze local financial documents and make a complete Tencent, Alibaba hashtag 39 as comparative Excel, including financial scale, profitability, core business segments, the dimensions of cash flow and financial health and shareholder returns. First, Station A starts to extract key information from 2 PDF files. Then he succeeded in extracting the key financial data of the 2 companies. Start preparing to write scripts, write Excel scripts. The execution was successful. Finally, he also helped us summarize the revenue, net profit, core indicators such as our de-investment. Then let hashtag 39 open the Excel file he generated and have a look. We saw that he not only filled in the data according to our requirements. Some conclusions of the comparative analysis are also summarized. Finally, a multidimensional comparison chart is generated. This is better than our own manual copy and paste. It hashtag 39 many times faster to make charts in the default mode of the Minimax. It also has a lot of powerful subagent built in. For example, PPT report, writing, in-depth research, etc. Let hashtag 39 let him try to analyze the data of these 2 financial reports. Then help us to make a 1 PPT comparing the performance of the 2 companies. The Minimax first analyzed these 2 documents in detail. Then I customized the PPT outline and content script. Then start generating pictures page by page according to the outline and script. After the image generation for each page is completed, it starts creating the script composition file. We saw that it helped us create files in PPTX and PDF formats. The local agent has another advantage. That is, we can see all temporary files generated during the entire task. These files can be changed and used twice. Let's open this final version of the file and take a look. The effect is very good, much clearer than the Excel table. If you think PPT is not enough to show off the pane, then let's try to make it a web page. Minimax can also write code in the tasks created by default, but I want the effect to be more extreme. You can find it among its experts. In the expert mode of Minimax, many hammer scenes are provided. The agent after deep optimization. If in normal mode, Minimax can achieve 80 points in most tasks. An expert in a specific field, an agent, in the end, it may reach 95 or even 100 points. We found the expert in the field production assistant and started a conversation with him. We gave him an instruction to analyze local financial report file data, then create a beautiful web page to introduce Alibaba. Comparison with the financial performance of the 2 companies in Q3 2025. He first extracted and analyzed the core data of the 2 financial reports. Then a detailed coding plan was customized. After the code is written, he will also verify the integrity of this page. Then the writing is completed. He even directly helped us deploy the web page. Provides direct online access. URL. Let's open the web page and take a look. First of all, the landing effect is very good, with cool particle effects. Very intuitive data is also provided below. Demonstrate the effect of interacting with smooth animations. Next, let's look at a more interesting way to play. The Moltbook community is very popular recently. It claims to be the AI version of a Ready community. In this community, humans are prohibited from posting. Instead, AI agents are only allowed to communicate directly with each other. Looking at the lively chatting among the AIs inside, you may also feel itchy. I want to go in and post a post. But taking a look at the tutorial, first, you need to deploy OpenClaw and configure API signature. It's too troublesome to go through anti-humanity verification. Since it is designed for agents, why can't we let Minimaxigent go in and play for us? So I used Minimax to create a Moltbook operation expert. First, let's go back to Minimax's exploration expert module. So these experts are not all officially released. Anyone can customize their own expert agent. You don't need to write lengthy prompts and complex configurations yourself. Just tell Minimax your needs. It will automatically generate expert workflow for you, required Xub agent and runtime environment. Then I also did a lot of interesting explorations myself. Let's say I create a Moltbook assistant. It allows your Minimax agent to post and discuss in the Moltbook community. What I did was just add the Modelbook registration process. The interaction logic of initiating specifications and comments is given to him. Minimax. This expert agent was automatically created for me. Let's demonstrate it below. How to make your Minimax fully transferable to the Modelbook community. Let's open this expert here. He will ask you to enter a link amount. What if you already have a registered Moltbook account? You can directly fill, and it's a pick here. You can directly use this expert to operate your account. If you haven't already, just fill in empty. Let's first ask him to register a new account. Then he prompted us to give this agent a name. There is also an introduction, so let's just pick one here and call it Easy Data Set Agent. Then he successfully registered a new account for us. Here we are reminded that we need to enter this link to authenticate before we can successfully post. Let's open this link. What are the Moltbook requirements for each newly registered agent? We have to tweet a tweet as he requested. So you must at least have a Twitter account to register successfully. And each account can only register one agent in Moltbook. We click the button below, and it will automatically jump to Twitter. Make a post. After the idea is successfully published, let's copy the address of this tweet. Then go back to Moltbook and authenticate it. Your agent can then post. Then we click on this link to see the homepage address of our agent. Then we told him we had claimed it. Let him publish a post introducing as dataset. Then he verified that there was no problem with our account status. The post was published successfully. What about Moltbook preventing ordinary humans from posting? Each time you need to do a complex math problem to verify, are you a real person or an AI? We see that Minimax automatically completes this verification for us, and the post is published successfully. We open Moltbook. Sure enough, I saw this post that had just been posted, because it had been a few minutes when I opened it. This post has received 5 likes, and I also received many comments from other agents. Let's also ask him to comment below. Other posts still require verification of a complex data question. Then the release was successful. We opened this post and took a look, and sure enough, we found our comment. Next, you can let your Minimax agent freely interact with the Modelbook community. I have been using it for a week. Due to space issues, there are still many interesting cases that cannot be shown to everyone. Now let me talk about my actual experience of using it. The first is the advantage. The first is that the threshold is very low. Whether you're a technical novice or develop yourself, control your computer with natural language. Let you directly experience the feeling of performing FASUI. The second is that it is really the best product in China. Compared with overseas products such as Cloud Cowork, it has a significant impact on the Chinese context. The support of domestic websites and Windows systems is smoother. Third, the model is easier to use. It is now equipped with version 2.1 of Minimax. This is the model that OpenClaw is recommending. The performance and coding ability in attack call is very good. In addition, its multimodal capability is also very strong. The fourth is that it is very playable. Anyone can create your domain through natural language. Experts can dig out a lot of interesting ways to play. But this product is not perfect either. It also has some drawbacks. First of all, when dealing with some complex tasks in terms of speed, the speed is relatively slow. But it can run in the background fully automatically, and you don't need to stare at it. And you can launch multiple tasks at the same time. The second is the cost issue. Because local tasks may call a large number of tools, the consumption of low temperature must be faster than that of ordinary dialogue. However, this is also a common problem of this type of agent. I still can't find a cheap and capable local agent. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. If this issue was helpful to you, hope to get a free triple in attention. Thank you all. See you next time.